Hello, I'm very glad you decided to join us today. Today we are going to be reading a very exciting story. Let's begin. Rebuilding Kabah. It was in the 35th year of the Prophet's life that the Quraysh decided to rebuild the Kabah. The Quraysh, who lived in Mecca, were its guardians. They asked a skilled carpenter of Mecca to make a new roof. But for this, they needed timber. So it happened that a ship belonging to a Greek merchant had run aground, and it was a total wreck. The Quraysh took some of its timber, and so the roof was made as they had planned. To put on the roof, they first had to demolish the old walls. To begin with, they were afraid that the lest Allah would be angry with them, but finally they went ahead with their plans. They started rebuilding the walls, but before they could be completed, the black stone had to be put in its place. This was the most important and most honorable task. Each one of them wanted the honor of fixing the black stone in the wall. So they started to fight among themselves. But the more they fought, the less they could agree who should put the black stone. Finally, the eldest among them said, "Let the first man who enters the gate next morning judge between us." At that moment, the Prophet Mohammad ﷺ entered the gate. They saw him and they were very happy. They said, "Here is Muhammad ﷺ. He is the trustworthy one." Muhammad ﷺ said to the men, "Give me a cloak." Then he put the black stone on the cloak. He said, "Let each tribe hold one end of the cloak. Now all of you lift it together." And all of them lifted the cloak with the black stone. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ then picked up the black stone with his own hands, and he placed the black stone on the ball. The men went on building the walls higher and higher. Then they finally put on the roof. The Kaaba was ready. Well, this is it for our story today. Tune in next time for the Cave of Hira. I hope you liked our story. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow so you can hear some more. Oh, and if you don't want to miss it, why not go down, like, subscribe, and if you like, comment to let us know what you think.